Welcome to week 7. The midterm is behind us. In fact, some point this week, I will be sending you each a copy of your exam with my comments on it and how you did. Let's see, let me get myself out of the way and we can take a look at what's going on this week. How do I do that? There we go. Okay, week 7 and week 8 deal much more with the algebraic properties of the trig functions, where up to this point we've been doing very much a geometric approach, right? Triangle trig and graphs, lots of pictures. There's fewer pictures now because we're going to be looking at identities and then solving equations. Identities this week, solving equations next week. So 7.1, 7.2, and 7.3 are the sections that we'll be covering this week. The basic identities, most of which you've already seen. We're looking at them in a little more depth. 7.2 and 7.3 are building more and more complicated identities from the basic ones. There are way too many to try to memorize them all. So my approach is to present them in ways that allow you to figure out where they come from. I show you where they come from. You can then reproduce that in the event that you can't remember one of the identities. I can never remember them all. I always have to figure them out. There's like, oh, is this a plus? Is this a minus? I don't know. Go back and figure it out. That's the beauty of mathematics. You can always figure it out. You don't have to memorize everything. And so that's the way I present this. There's a lot of identities. They're used for lots of different things. Just amazing algebraic properties that allow us to solve other problems later. So we need to get familiar with what these identities are, how we use them, when they come in handy and whatnot. But if you're going to try to memorize them all, I really doubt you're going to be able to do it. But some people can. Most people, I think it's better to just try to figure them out every time. Anyway, so that's what I'm going to try to do, teach you that. Of course, participate in the discussion, and when Wednesday rolls around, the quiz will appear right here. Of course, if you have any questions, either email me or message me or ask on the discussion board, and we'll see what we can do to answer your questions. Should be a good week. Have fun.